it's Christina from Dirt Gear, and I just wanted to show you how to do this isolation variation I've been playing with. It's on top of the wrist stall and slide. ISO, top of the wrist stall, slide. That's what it looks like. Prereqs for this would be isolations. I think that's all you need to know to do this. I am using a short string day one with a finger loop. You can use a contact one, you can use a palm grip, you can use whatever one you want. Also for reference for this video, my bottom cap is purple. That's always going to be the end I'm isolating. My top cap is pink, and that's always the end that will be traveling around the isolation. So to get started, you need to shorten your string length just a little bit by wrapping it around your fingers. You want your hand to be resting just below the end cap. You don't want it to be too short, but it needs to be below the end cap. That's important for the second half of the move, but it also helps with control. So to do that, I just wrap the string around my finger, two of them, one of them, and then drop it down in between, whatever is comfy for you. So to get started, you want to isolate in the direction towards your untethered hand. So I'm going to go this way. So starting in isolation, when your top cap gets to the outside and your wand is horizontal, you're going to take your untethered hand and you're going to put it underneath the top half to stall it like that. As you do that, you're going to take this other hand and you're going to pop it underneath the other end to hold it. So isolating, stall, catch, right? That's the hardest part to get that down. You have to be really quick to get your wrist under the other side, but that's probably the toughest part of this move. So just practice that until you get it clean. Give that one a little love. So after that, you're going to slide. And now we're going to isolate in the opposite direction. So you're going to use your inside hand, which was your outside, it's now your inside hand, to give this a little push. And you're going to start isolating in the opposite direction. When the top cap gets to the outside, place your hands underneath and stall. This side is probably easier to stall, but this is where it's important that your string length is shorter, because if your string length was above the cap, you're not going to be able to get your hand under there and stall. Your wand will just float on right by your hand. So keep your string length shortened. You're doing your isolation. Gets to the outside, just pop your hands under there. And now we're going to slide back and simply do it the same way we did it the first time. Just give it a little nudge with this hand. ISO, stall, catch, slide, ISO, catch, slide, ISO, catch, slide. And that's it. Happy practicing!